Hi, today I am going to show you how to fix video call problem on Messenger Android. First, go to your settings and look for app management. Click this one and go to app list. Scroll down and kindly look for the Messenger application. Click Messenger. So once you click the Messenger, kindly look for permissions. Tap this one. And as you can see, the reason why you are having problem with video call is that here you deny the access of your camera. So probably you cannot use this one when you have your video call to someone else. Click this one and click allow. Then after that, you can go back. And also look for storage. Click storage and always make sure that you allow this one. Now you can go back and check if this thing works. Open your application. Let's say I am going to call this person. So let me check if the camera is working and also the video. So as you can see, everything is working well. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.